The problem number 3. Let's read the statement of the problem number 3 first and understand it. So the statement is Saima goes to her friend every 15 days and Laiba goes to same friend every 18 days. In this statement, dear students, we are told that Saima and Laiba goes to their friend house. Both have the common friend. So Saima goes after every 15 days and Laiba goes after every 18 days. After how many days Saima and Laiba will visit the friend together? So we are supposed to tell the number of days after which Saima and Laiba can go or visit their friend's house together. So we are supposed to tell the number of days after which Saima and Laiba can visit together. Okay, let's move to the solution now. Saima visits her friend house after 15 days. This is required. Given. Laiba visits the same friend after 18 days. Both these values are given in the statement. So we are supposed to tell the number of days after how many days both girls can visit to their friend together. So first of all, we have to take out the prime factors of the given numbers. Okay, then we can find the LCM. Okay, let's start taking out or finding out the prime factors of 15. 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. So the prime factors of 15 are 3 and 5. We will write it here. The prime factors of 15 are 3 and 5. The prime factors of 18 are 2 into 3 into 3, 2 into 3 into 3. So the common factors among these two is 3. So the common factor is 3. What are the non-common factors? 5, 3 and 2. The non-common factors among between 15 and 18 are 2 into 3 into 5. We know that the formula for LCM is common factor into non-common factors. So we will multiply common factors and non-common factors together. 3 into 2 into 3 into 5. Let's multiply all these values. 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, and 18 5s are, let's find out. 18, 5 8s are 40, 4 carries, 5 1s are 5, 6 7 8 9. So 4 plus 5 equals to 9. So we will get 18 multiplied by 5 equals to 90. Now the result will be Saima and Laiba will visit their friend's house together after 90 days. How many days? 90 days. Now we will read the last question or last problem of page number 46. That is, what is the least number which can be exactly divided by 36, 64 and 72? This is a very simple question, dear students. In this question, we are supposed to tell the least number which is exactly divided by 36, 64 and 72. Simply, we will take out the LCM of these three and prime factors of these three and find out the LCM. Let's move to the solution now. In this question, we are supposed to tell least number that can be divided by 36, 64 and 72. We have to find out this. Let's find out by solving it. First of all, we have to take out the prime factors of the given numbers. 36 is divided by 2. First of all, we will divide it by 2. 2 1s are 2. 1 carry, 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Now 64, 2, as it ends as this figure is ending on the even number, so it is divided by 2. So 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. 72, 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 ones are 2, 1 carry, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, same like this. 3 threes are 9 and 3 ones are 3. So we have taken out the prime factors of 36, 64 and 72. We will write this here. The prime factors, we have taken out the prime factors of 36, 64 and 72. We will write it here. The prime factors of 36 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. The prime factors of 64 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the prime factors of 72 are 3 times 2. 1, 2, 3 and 2 times 3. 1. Okay, 3. Now we have to figure out the common factors. 2. As I told you before that we can figure out a common factor between the 2 also. So this is also a common factor. And now look, 3 here and here. This one and this 3 also. So now we will write that common factors are 2, 2, 2. 3 times 2 and 1 and 2. 2 times 3. 1, 2. So non-common factors are 1, 2, 3. 3 times 2. 1, 2, 3. So as we know that already, the LCM, the formula for LCM is common factors into non-common factors. So we will put the values and take out the value for LCM. Common factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, and non-common factors are 3 times 2. Okay, now we will multiply all of these. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 threes are 24, 24 threes are, let's solve it. 24 threes are 3 fours are 12, 1 carry, 3 twos are 6 and 1 72. Now 72 twos are 2 twos are 4 and 2 sevens are 14. Now again we will multiply by 2. 144 multiply by 2. 2 fours are 8, 2 fours are 8 and 2 ones are 2. 2 is left now, so we will multiply the value by 2 again. So it will be 2 eights are 16, 2 eights are 6, 1 carry, 2 eights are 16 and 17, 1 carry, 2 twos are 4 and 5. So the answer will be 576. The result is 576 actually is the number that is exactly divisible by 36, 64 and 72. So dear students, we covered these 4 word problems today. You have to practice them by heart. Good luck.